In other words, are you willing to obey God no matter what? Now, Pastor, here's one of the things that I've learned. I've pastored now 4 churches in my life. I've been offered 3 other churches. And one of the things that I've learned is that folk are quick to tell you you can't please everybody. Pastor, you can't please everybody. But most of those who say that to you want you to please them. Yeah, I know I'm right about it. And you're going to have some folk who, on the other side of the election, will come to you and say, Pastor, you know I was with you the whole time. Pastor, you know some folks said I wasn't with you. You know they were lying. I've been with you the whole time. I just wanted to go through the process. I ain't scared. Today I want to encourage you, because one of the things that I've learned as a pastor is you cannot surrender the agenda of your ministry to whiners and complainers. You got to be sure of God's call on your life, and you got to stay with it regardless of who goes and or who stays.